Csapatunk egy része a kölni PMRExpo-n járt. A háromfős Anicós különítmény hétfő reggel Németországba repült, hogy megismerkedjen a jövő adóvevőivel, és találkozzon európai és ázsiai üzletfeleinkkel. Készítettünk néhány interjút nagyobb partnereink standjánál, hogy ebben a videóban nektek is bemutathassuk legfrissebb fejlesztéseiket. A PMRExpo az egyik legnevesebb európai szakmai rendezvény, ahol mindig számos adóvevőket, rádiós rendszereket és kiegészítőket gyártó és forgalmazó vállalat képviselteti magát. 10 000 négyzetméternyi területén több mint 180 kiállító mutatta be termékeit és szolgáltatásait a professzionális mobil kommunikáció területéről. Az ismertebb márkák közül kiállított például a Motorola, a Caltta, az Icom és a Hytera is. A háromnapos kiállításon a cégek bemutatták termékeiket, fejlesztéseiket és jövőbeli terveiket.
I'm Jacek and we are from Axel company along with Michał. We are sold and supported by Motorola, that's why we are here, and we have a Console Plus dispatching software. And the dispatching software is the thing that we can use with the Motorola radios to connect, so the dispatcher can sit down and see everything what is going on the system. We do support Moto Turbo systems from Motorola, so along with IP side, the Capacity Plus single site and multi-site also. And what I can tell you more about the features is that here we have the virtual radio. So the virtual radio is the same as the radio, the physical radio. We can just click the PTT button and we can call. Here, for example, is the group 10, so everyone in the group 10 will hear us and they can call us too, so we will hear everything, and everything will record. On the recorder here we made very much improvements about the recorder, so it works. And also the map, because we see it here, the map shows us all the GPS location of the radios. So we can manage and control everyone in the system. Like I said, we are sold and supported. Right now we are making much improvements, so new releases are coming, and stay tuned.
Hétfőn volt egy kis időnk körülnézni a városban és belekóstolni a helyi gasztronómiába. A már karácsonyi díszekbe öltözött Köln igazán hangulatos helyszíne ennek a remek rendezvénynek.
What we are seeing here is the Wave broadband push-to-talk solution, and what we as Motorola Solutions can do, we can interface into our LMR radio systems like Moto Turbo or Tetra Dimetra. What we currently doing, we not just investing in the new broadband technology, we also heavily investing to keep our current portfolio up to date. We came up this year with the new R7 Moto Turbo device, and we also investing in purpose-built devices, broadband purpose-built devices. So the next addition to that portfolio will be the Talker 110. It has more design elements of the traditional radio. It comes with an emergency button. It has lone worker, man down, and we are also very proud that will be the first radio that uses an AI engine for the Vox and for the noise cancelling. So the traditional Vox would mean that you based on the noise level, you key up the radio. So this radio can detect or noise from voice. So Vox will also work in high noise environments, for instance. And the same way we're using that technology also for noise cancelling.
That's pretty interesting technology. Is it already available in this radio?
We're planning to have it available during Q1 of next year.
this is the new M500, the new in-car video recording system from Motorola. The best bit about it is it shares the same platform as the body-worn video cameras. So we have Video Manager as the common platform for those two systems. It's designed around the police officer, so it's nice and easy to use, very convenient, and saves the officer a lot of time. Very simple operation. So in the car, we install the DVR, which is the video recorder, the core processor. We have the front camera, which is installed on the windshield behind the mirror. And this records two images at the same time. The front camera and the front wide camera on the same sensor. And then we have the cabin camera. This is inside the vehicle, shows the rear seat. So anybody who's sitting in the rear seat, that will work in complete darkness too. Coming soon, we have a rear camera as well, which is being delivered next week. And that shows a view out of the back of the camera. And finally, we have the control panel installed in the front of the vehicle. And this is how the officer controls the system. It's very, very simple for them to use. They can turn the blue lights on, and that will activate a recording automatically when they put the blue lights on. They film the incident, and when they're finished, all they do is press stop. They can choose whether it's a non-evidential video or an evidential, so let's choose evidential. And then they can optionally add title, we'll call it test 2, and they can add reference numbers in and press done. And from the officer's point of view, that is it, they have finished, with nothing more to do. That will automatically upload to Video Manager, either over Wi-Fi or 4G. All automatically, the officer has nothing to do. And because we chose an evidential category, it will create an incident automatically and title it automatically, so that the officer doesn't need to come back in to the police station to do that. So, and then we can have the body-worn video cameras in there. Everything's on the same platform. We can share it internally, externally, and we've got mapping, as you can see on the screen there, so it's the officer can see where they were. And we can use tags, categories, automatic retention. It's a fully fledged digital evidence management platform. The target customer is mainly police. It's designed around police use. However, it can easily be modified for other government agencies, immigration, border control, customs, security, and you could even actually operate it in a building. So if you wanted to operate it as an interview system. So we have a customer in the Middle East who has they've installed it in the interior of a van, and they use it as a mobile interview room. So there's lots of applications, but it's primarily designed around police.
Do you think it could be good for security companies that are not state-owned, but like non-governmental institutions?
Yeah, completely. I mean, the idea behind it is the video evidence is rock-solid evidential. You have an audit trail and chain of custody of that video from the moment you record it all the way through the process. And it's automated, so that nobody has to mess around sticking memory cards and SD cards and USB cards in there and copying the footage over. It's all done automatically. So yeah, perfectly suited for security, anything private industry as well.
Hi, gentlemen. Thanks so much for your come here. I'm from Caltta. I'm Steve. And so I'm pleased to introduce the DMR products. So you can see here, we have the two different things right now here. So we have the 5 series. You can see it's the blue. So you can easily tell the differences from the color. If you see the blue colors, that's the 5 series. 5 series is more like commercial. It's for the cost effective, so commercial-wise. So it'll be good, but if it supports the DMR Tier 2. And this is the green things. This is called the PH600 series. It's more professional. Professional is it has the main down surfaces, and it also support the Bluetooth. Yeah. So these are two different. But all different is they have the non-screen and the half key. This is a half keypad, and this is the full keypad. This is the 5 series, and also the same thing. For this is have no display, half menu, and with the full keypad. So we have the two different things. And the other new baby is what we have is called the Smart Link 600. This Smart Link is our new product. It's called ad hoc. It not only to support the DMR, like a repeater. It's not a portable repeater, but it's supporting the ad hoc. The ad hoc technology. It can automatically configuration the networking with another repeaters. So this is good for what? This is good for the disaster rescue team and for the critical rapid deployment, like the police department, SWAT team, or even for disaster, the earthquake they want to rescue, even for the fire department in the forest. So with this one, even for this, you can have the manpack. You can understand it's very small, it's very tight, and not only for DMR, but also we can put this for the 4G module. With the 4G module, so you can talk with the network, with LTE the project, with LTE the communication, the network. So in that case, you can do with the 4G LTE, and also you can talk with the DMR. So this is a very good and very new product, and it's very light, and design is really, really good. Yeah, that's pretty much that we have here this year. Thanks so much.
Érdemes volt eljönni a kiállításra, rengeteg újdonságot és érdekességet láthattunk. A vállalatok képviselőivel nagyon barátságos és közvetlen beszélgetéseket folytathattunk. Találkoztunk régi ismerősökkel, munkatársakkal és partnerekkel, akikkel általában csak az online térben tartjuk a kapcsolatot. Találkoztunk pár olyan gyártóval is, akikkel eddig még nem dolgoztunk együtt. Termékeikkel remélhetően sikerül tovább bővíteni az Anico Kft. Választékát. Az Aniconál továbbra is azon dolgozunk, hogy a rádiókommunikációban a legjobb megoldásokat kínáljuk, és a legkorszerűbb technológiát tegyük elérhetővé partnereink számára. Jövőre újra eljövünk.